Close enough to all the attractions of Pigeon Forge in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, but secluded enough for privacy, is Riverfront Chalet at 732 Plantation Drive on the west prong of the Little Pigeon River. This elevated cabin is truly a conversation piece, and it'll be a welcome respite to your guests. With 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, you'll enjoy over 1,000 square feet of restful relaxation. Step inside. The open floor plan provides exceptional space throughout. The great room beneath a stylish cathedral ceiling looks out to the expansive back deck and is warmed comfortably from the faux fireplace. And note that everything, and we mean everything, is included. It's fully furnished and move-in ready. The open plan allows a few steps access to the dining table and fully equipped kitchen with lots of solid surface counter space, perfect for intimate gatherings and complete with state-of-the-art appliances. This cabin provides 2 master suites, both providing the comfort and privacy your guests expect. Both baths are complete with their own whirlpool tub shower combination, and both offer easy access to that great deck out back with outside dining, a great view of the river, and a full-size hot tub. Riverfront Chalet is located on Plantation Drive, a most unique development in the heart of Pigeon Forge, a place we call the playground of the Smokies. It's a great permanent residence, an ideal second home, or a rewarding vacation rental. Riverfront Chalet awaits your private tour. Call the Derosia Team of Smoky Mountain Real Estate Corporation direct at 865-277-8115.